Okay, hello guys. So today I want to talk about brushes. Brushes in detailing are very important because a lot of times you have a lot of places that are hard to reach. For example, you can look here, just inside the door, and you can see that with a brush, you literally brush it out. Just get everything out nicely, and already it looks much better. But the thing is that you all the time want to get more inside. Like for example, if you do it here, it doesn't do anything. You see, there's no effect to it. So how do we make the brush much more effective and actually turn it into a detailing brush just from a regular paintbrush? So the idea is very simple. All you need is scissors. Okay, scissors. The trick is you just cut, and let's leave about like that, and you just cut it. Of course, later on you're gonna have to collect it, so better cut it outside or somewhere you don't care. And after cutting it, what you get is a nice brush like that. Let's just trim it, make it look nice, so it can go to a fashion show. Now, with this thing, if you go inside, you can already hear the sound, like literally. If I get the microphone out now, you can hear the sound, actually, you hear it. Okay, now, what I want to add to the mix is the Forberz interior detailer. Okay, this stuff is 100% natural. There's no silicones, no solvents, no strong acids inside it. And use is very simple. Just shake it well, open it up. And now what we do is we spray on the brush. 2 free sprays, that's enough. And now let's start. Now you can see that it actually scrubs it out. And then it can literally get all the dirt out of those little holes of the speaker. Now if we wipe it down, what you get is a nice clean speaker. Very simple, very easy trick. Now if you look at the door, it also cleaned the door. So how do we keep going? Just spray another 2 sprays and let's do the door. Again, the stuff is 100% natural, not dangerous in any way, so it won't burn the plastic or cause any damage to the car, of course. Wipe it down. Just look at it, all nice, clean. I still see the scratches, of course, the scratches are still there, but it's a much nice, cleaner look. Now, let's do the speaker properly. Let it pick up all the dirt out. You can see that most of it is just plastic. The speaker is just here, the whole of the speaker. Suddenly you can see the speaker actually. Gets all the dust out. And just go for it a few times just to clean it perfectly. Now let's wipe it down. Now you can see that it's much better than what we started with. Speaker looks great, the door looks much better, and we can move to the next step of restoring the plastic. But for now, at least, everything is nice and clean.